Hi guys, I am Katie Kitchens and welcome to How I Curated This, where we are going to talk about everything inside of your FabFitFun summer box and how we decided to pick each product. So if you don't know what FabFitFun is, we are a lifestyle membership best known for our subscription boxes, and our mission is to inspire happiness and well-being to everyone, everywhere. So let's get down to it. So we have an amazing hero choice this summer. You get to pick between 4 different huge items, and the first one is this super cute mini travel hair dryer from Sutra, but don't let the size fool you. It's incredibly powerful, and so you can take it anywhere. And what I love about it is that you should never ever use your hotel hair dryer. It is literally the most disgusting piece of your hotel room. It's full of germs. Don't touch it. Leave it in a drawer. Bring this guy with you and you will be set. It also comes with a diffuser, so if you have curly hair, you can make your curls work. And if you want to straighten it, you can use this little guy. But it's great for your Airbnbs when you're going to the gym and anytime you are on the go. Okay, your second choice. We have this super cute Moroccan in style Lotus towel from Vicks. So we love it for all of your poolside and beach selfies. It's microfiber, so it's really good at making sure that the sand doesn't stay on your towel, but it's big and soft and luxe, and it doesn't even fit in my office apparently. But this is what it looks like when it's all folded out. So cute, right guys? You're gonna need it for those Instagram moments. All right, next up, we have the cult favorite. This has been loved by FabFitFun members for years. It is a Bum Bum Cream Duo, or Sol de Janeiro Duo. This is an amazing, Brazilian inspired brand, and you have 2 really great products. So first up, as I mentioned, is the Bum Bum Cream, and it takes away all of the stuff that you don't want when you're wearing your bikini this summer, and paired with a full-size shower gel, and both of these things smell amazing. You're going to love it. And then last but not least, we have this gorgeous kimono from Spiritual Gangster. It's really meant for, bringing with you on all of your vacations. It's the cover-up that you put on after you get out of the pool, after you get out of the ocean. Love it, simple, easy breezy, and fits everyone from a size 0 all the way up to 16. So all right, now I'm going to make one of these choices. Oh, it's so hard because they're all so good, but I have to go with the FabFitFun cult favorite, Sol de Janeiro. All right, so it's gonna go into my box. All right, here we go. Next up, we have another, what I think is a pretty awesome hero choice. First up, we have this letterboard from our brand new line called Exo Sienna. It's all of your stationery and home organizational needs. The idea is just you want pretty simple things to make your life better. It's actually on my shelf up here, so I'm going to grab it. And it's really cute. So whenever you want a little message and you want to send it to someone, you just pop this baby in. All right, next up, we have these amazing sheet masks from 111 Skin. They're actually infused with rose gold, and they're perfect for brightening and just sort of taking away all of the skin impurities and making you look glowy and fabulous this summer, so you don't have to wear all of that makeup. God knows that's not what we want to do when it's hot and humid out. And what's crazy about all of this is the retail value is actually $160. Okay, so literally just this product alone, $160, you're paying $49.99 for all of this. Okay, next up in the choice, really cute stackable bowls from West Elm. I'm sure you guys are familiar with West Elm. They're a huge furniture store, and we love the indigo. It's been a really big trend for summer, and they're just so cute. You can put them in your kitchen, in your family room. You can fill them with nuts and snacks and treats for your guests, or just leave them as a little decoration. Okay, and then last but not least, we have another great collaboration. This is a beach tote from Summer and Rose, which is another house brand of FabFitFun. And what's really interesting is we actually partnered with Eva Longoria, yes, celebrity actress, entrepreneur, and we co-designed the bag, and it's huge. You can stuff all of your towels in it. It has a little snap so it stays secure, and I am very obsessed. Now this one is a hard choice because we have a brand named after my youngest daughter and a brand named after my oldest daughter, and it's basically like picking one of my children. I can't do it. I just don't know what to do. All right, I'm gonna have to go with Exo Sienna because it's brand new. I'm excited and I love the letterboard. I actually use it really all the time. All right, and it goes. But honestly, I'd be adding this guy for an extra $10. That is for sure. Okay, next up, we have another choice. We have this really cute, very simple little star necklace from Jennifer Zeuner in gold. I'm actually wearing it right now. I wore it on our trip to London. It's easy, it's simple, it goes with everything, and it's nice because you can layer it or wear it on your own. Next up, we have these really cute, whoa, look at that, silicone wine glasses in everyone's favorite millennial pink. But we love them because you can't bring wine glasses to the pool, it breaks, everyone's running around with no shoes on, not a good thing. These are really easy. They also pack very easily right into your summer tote, and you are off to the races. All right, last but not least, we have these amazing fitness bands from Burn 60. Burn 60 is a local amazing studio where you burn crazy calories. And what's nice is there's 3 bands. You can do different workouts. And all of the workouts are on FabFitFun. Oh, my arms are getting so toned. Sorry, all of the workouts are on FabFitFun TV, so you can literally log on right now and find, dozens of ways to use them so you can tone all of your different body parts this summer. All right, we have another really hard choice. Okay, I could definitely use a little bit extra toning this summer, so I'm gonna have to go with the Burn 60 bands. I'm gonna log on to FabFitFun TV tonight and start toning. Guys, this is a hard box to open. It's so big. Not a lot of space, but it has all that good stuff inside. All right, we have another choice. Really excited about this one. So we have a Eyeko black liner, clean, simple, but what I love is that it actually stays on. So when you are dancing and sweaty and having a great time this summer, this guy is actually gonna last. Next up, another FabFitFun favorite brand, Living Proof. You guys know it, you love it. It's actually really great it's like a nourishing style cream, and it works on all different hair types. So if you want to add a little bit of body, or you actually want to sort of defrizz your hair, it does everything. And because we know you guys love mystery, we're bringing it back. So you can also pick your mystery item, and you have no idea what you're gonna get. It could be dozens of products. All right, so I'm gonna make my call. I gotta go again with these FabFitFun favorites, Living Proof. My hair can always use a little help, by all means. So into the box it goes. Guys, it's getting so full. All right, next up, we have another great choice. So this is Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. And if you guys haven't tried a healing balm, they're great. They're one of these little guys that sort of do everything. So you can put it on your cuticles, you can put it on your elbows, moisture for your lips. It's really just your sort of multi-use go-to product, and just know a little goes a very long way. Next up, we have COOLA. Look, it's summer. What you have to do is wear SPF all day, every day. Whenever we talk to all of these amazing skincare gurus, their #1 piece of advice, wear your SPF. And COOLA is a great one. It's cool because it's actually a makeup setting spray. So you do your whole face, and then just as you're leaving, squirt and you go. And it smells great too. Last but not least, we have a micro polish from Intelligent Nutrients. And so a couple things that I love about it. One, when it's summer, as I mentioned, we want to wear less makeup. And so your skin really does have to look great. And sort of polish is, how you clean your canvas and how you make sure you really get that beautiful glow. But Intelligent Nutrients is, particularly special. They're so thoughtful about every single thing that they put into their formula. Everything is organic. It's pretty remarkable. And if you've ever seen the founders, their skin is impeccable. I mean, whatever they're doing, we want to do. Okay, so for my next choice, ooh, this one's a hard one. I think I'm gonna go with the COOLA. Have to be safety first when you're going out into the sun all the time. Now we have the products that are actually going to go into every single box, because if you can believe it, there's actually more. All right, so we have invisibobble. I don't know if you guys have seen these before, but basically they're a new age version of your traditional hair tie. And what's nice about these is they don't actually dent your hair, right? So if you blow out your hair, you go to the gym, you put your hair up, you know, when you come out, you have these like terrible sort of bends that you don't like, and this prevents all of that and it won't snag, and it works for all different hair types. So if you're, you know, thin hair, curly hair, it works. Next up, we have this fantastic rose spray from Grace and Stella. It smells, woo, delicious. Again, super hydrating, super moisturizing. You can bring it with you when you're on the go. Again, it just gives you a little fresh glow and it keeps you hydrated all day. And it also acts as a setting spray, which we love because God knows when you're out all day, you want your makeup looking good. Next up, we have a brightening purple clay mask from Generation Clay. And so I'm sure you guys have heard about all of these sort of big beauty trends from across the globe. You know, first there was K-beauty coming out of Korea, then there was J-beauty coming out of Japan. Now it's all about the A-beauty, which is Australian beauty. So, you know, Australia's had a sort of huge cult following when it comes to fashion, and now they're making their way into the beauty space as well. And this guy is great. So it'll take out all of the impurities. Again, it's wonderful for brightening. It works on all different kind of skin tones. It's not super drying, but it just really does remove those impurities from your skin, which we love. And last but not least, we have this amazing exfoliating foot mask from Whish, because you know, we want to wear a lot of sandals when it comes to summer, and you got to keep those feet looking good. So this smooths and softens. It'll keep your feet looking nice, pretty, those pedicures fresh all season long. All right, guys, so that was all of the items in the summer box. I loved building mine. I hope you love building yours as well. If you are not already subscribed, make sure to sign up today because quantities are limited. And of course, like the video, tell us what products you are excited to try, and we will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.